Hello, my name is Ariella Mason and I'm a librarian with Fresno County Library, and I'm here today to talk to you guys a little bit about our ValleyCat app, which is available for your phones that you can use to do a bunch of things with our system while we're closed, and also order materials while we're partially open. So we have several options. You guys can kind of see what you're going to first see when you open up the app. You have several options. You can log into the library and you will see all the features we have available on our app through there. That includes being able to check out, being able to or see what you have checked out, renew items, place requests, see our databases, some of those, and things like that. We also have an option called Nearest Libraries here that if you go into it will tell you about all the hours and all of the locations, and it will also give you options for phone numbers and directions for each of the branches. Once you've logged in, what this will do is it's going to show you the nearest branches to your address in our system, so it's really useful for finding branches that are open near you. We also have our ValleyCat library catalog. This includes all of our, you can't place holds through it and you can't do eBooks through it, but you can see what's in our system. So if you go into your account, you can type in your library card number. Even I do not know my library card number, if that makes you feel better. And then once you put in your barcode, you can also scan your barcode. It's probably a little easier than I did it the hard way. But once you come into your account, you'll see a bunch of options. It has information on our reopenings as we slowly try to reopen and get more services for you guys, but in a safe and secure way. Right now we're doing the curbside pickup, so you can order books and movies and video games to keep people busy, and you can see the updates of that on here. It also has my account, so you can see how many checkouts you have. If you click on that, you can also renew the items you have out, which is really nice because sometimes I forget, and it's nice to not have to necessarily log into the system. It also tells you the holds you have and what their status is. For me, I have a bunch of holds waiting for me, so yeah. It'll also tell you if you have fines, and it'll also give you the option for preferences as far as languages, what kind of format you want materials in, and things like that. It also lets you look at our eBooks and our eAudiobooks, and it also will send you directly to our Overdrive, so you can listen to those on your phone. I really recommend audiobooks if you haven't tried them. I tell my grandma it's just like radio shows, but you know, modern. So it's basically the same as a radio show. It's really fun. And then we also have like lists of our online resources, so you can access some of our databases and figure out what kind of resources we offer besides books and materials. Finally, you can scan ISBNs to see if we have a copy of a book, like the newest bestsellers or something like that. And you can also keep in touch with us on our socials. This will also have information about what's going on during this during current events and also in the future. We post everything on Facebook, and we have Instagram and Twitter, and we try to keep really active on those. So yeah, I encourage you to follow us on those. And that is pretty much how you use our app. It has lots of options and it's really fun. So it's really useful if you use our library a lot, and it's a good way to keep connected. And I hope this was helpful, and have a nice day.